Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of these lipsticks swatched and giving you guys my first impressions. I've never done such a kind of a video before where I've actually swatched these lipsticks in particular like this, because I know every time I show you guys lipsticks, the first comment is like, please show swatches. I've been a bit lazy for that matter, but I had purchased a couple of these, pink brown nude lipsticks recently and I wanted to try them out. These are very affordable, by the way, guys, under ₹1,000. So I was like, let's make a dedicated video on these. So I'm going to be swatching them and trying them out with you guys and giving you guys my first impressions. So now let's get started. So as you can see, I've just removed the lipsticks and now we're going to start trying out these lipsticks one by one. And I know my lips are going to get so stained badly and they're going to get so dry, but anyway, let's start with all of these lipsticks. I'm going to start off with this one from LAKMÉ first, which is their Extraordinary Lip Mousse. So it's like airy lip mousse, so it's like very lightweight and moussey. And I have this shade Blush Nude, 306 Blush Nude. The MRP of this is 700 and this is how the packaging is. It's a beautiful packaging. I'm also going to swatch it on my hand for you guys. And this is my the actual lip color. It's more like, pinkish brownish color. So these kind of lipsticks really suit me. This is how the packaging is. I love this detailing of heart on the cap. So we're gonna take and swatch it right here for you guys. See, it's so airy and it's a beautiful shade. So I'm gonna put the same thing on my lips and show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna use this mirror. So this is how the lipstick looks. I really like how natural it is, very lightweight when you apply it, and it also has got this really, classic LAKMÉ chocolatey smell like it's got in their lip mousse ones, the earlier ones, the lip matte LAKMÉ 9 to 5 lip mousses, which were like cult favorite back then. So I really like that as well. You can see it matches, like it's almost like a nude lipstick for me. So I love this color and the payoff that it gives. So yeah, I really enjoy this lipstick, and also it's in complete natural lighting. There's no added lighting, so you can see the shade. It usually suits people with more like fair to medium skin tone. So yeah, if you're a deeper skin tone, it might wash you out, but I love this shade, which is 306 Blush Nude. Lipstick that I'm going to be trying out is from Kiro. It's their Slickstick and it's in the shade number 06 Mauve Macaroon. Now, like I told you guys, this shade is slightly different. It's a little bit darker than I thought. I love the cute packaging. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid, filling spheres, peptides, and vegan squalene. The packaging is pretty different from the regular lipstick, and this is how it looks. Let me just swatch this for you guys here. Oh, it's really creamy and hydrating, and you can see this is going to be perfect for fair to even medium to a deeper skin tone because it's a brownish nude color. Let me just apply this. The pigmentation is really good. As you can see, it looks slightly darker on my face compared to like a natural nude lipstick, but it's not even bad. I think it will suit a lot of Indian skin tones, especially deeper skin tones. And I love the formulation. I love the finish. It's like a dewy matte finish. It's very lightweight on your lips as well. And this is transfer proof, if I'm not wrong. No, this is transferable. Even the before one was transferable, the LAKMÉ Matte Mousse one. But I really like how it looks also on my lips. It's just that it's slightly darker for my liking. Now let's come to the next lipstick, which is the L'Oreal's Infallible Matte, if I'm not wrong. Some matte lipstick in the variant 601 Worth It, which is like the Alia Bhatt shade. I wanted this so badly, and it's retailing for like 1100 or 1000 rupees, but I got it for 500 rupees, so almost 50%. This is how the wand is. It's a very creamy matte lipstick. Now I've heard that this lipstick is a bit drying, but it's a perfect shade. Just look at that pink nude brown shade. Now a lot of people say that it's slightly drying on the lips. It's transfer proof, by the way, guys, and long lasting. So that is one of the key factors, and it's such a good everyday use lipstick. Let me just put it on. So as you can see, this is how the lipstick looks on my skin. It's actually really good. I love it. It's perfect for everyday use, whether it's office, whether it's, you know, just going out to run errands. Very natural. I do feel it's slightly heavier on my lips. It's not as lightweight as the other lipsticks, but it looks so natural and subtle. I love the pink, and it's very like, I feel like it's slightly sticky, but I think that's maybe because I've tried so many lipsticks and the shade is perfect. Like you can see, it matches the outer packaging as well. It is definitely going to wash out people from medium to deeper skin tone. For that, they have Worth It medium. So it's very similar to, you know, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk medium. I won't say it's as good as the Charlotte Tilbury one, but I really like it, and it's transfer proof. You have to let it set for like good 1-2 minutes, and you know, whether you drink coffee, you kiss, whatever, it's going to be transfer proof. So really good lipstick for that. They've got a couple of shades, but I personally really like this one. Guys, the next lipstick that I have is the Lip Whip from Fay Beauty, and it's in the variant Cuff. Now this one is like a very matte, powdery matte finish, but long lasting and again transfer proof. This is a very cult favorite lipstick, but I'm trying it now. I have the shade Cuff, and you would probably find like all of these shades are really similar, but let me just show you the swatch. It's a little bit different. Like this is more on the brownier side than the previous one, and it's very creamy and hydrating. So let me just swatch it and we'll see how it looks. The thing about these lipsticks are they're very similar in shade with each other, but so different at the same time. Now this one on my lips, I found it to be a bit more brighter than the L'Oreal lipstick. You can clearly see that, but I feel like this is a very happy color on my face, and it's something that I can use, you know, on a regular basis as well. I really like the formulation. I've actually worn this lipstick before outside, and it lasts for a really long time. So I really want to try a couple of more shades from this, and I really like the shade Cuff. You can just see how like gorgeous it looks. Then we've got another lipstick from Mars. It's more like their velvet lip tint, and I've used this before, and guys, I would just say go and purchase this blindly. I've picked up the shade 3 Words, and this is like going out of stock so badly. So this is more like a lip tint, velvety lip tint, and it's super affordable. This is how the packaging is, and I picked up the shade 3 Words like I told you. It's got like a very, you know, velvety finish. I'm just gonna swatch the shade. You see, super light, and it's more like a tint. So let me just put it on my lips. Just see, it gives such a nice, you know, fresh tinted lips. Like, you know, you've just popsicle, like a raspberry popsicle, and the kind of sheen it would leave on your lips. I really like this. It's slightly more pinker. It's not really like nude brown, but it literally gives you that super lightweight, doesn't make your lips feel very, you know, greasy or heavy. And it's very velvety, like I told you, very soft. So I love this. There are multiple shades, but mostly it goes out of stock. So if you get your hands on this, do, because just look at this, it's so good. Okay, at this stage you might find my lips super stained, but we're gonna get through this video. We have our last lipstick cum lip balm from Etude House, and this is one of my favorites. I've already tried it out. It's their ginger sugar melting lip balm. It's a tinted lip balm, comes in this beautiful packaging. I have the variant sugar mauve, soft mauve, and just look at that packaging. It's a more twisting lip balm, so the moment you twist, then only it comes out, but it doesn't go back, so you have to be very careful. It it makes this click sound. I'll just show you like that. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hand first for you guys. See how pigmented this is. So guys, this is the previous Mars stain, but this is how pigmented this is, and it's so good. It's a very hydrating lip balm, and I love it. I'm gonna put it on right now. So guys, I've just put up this lip balm, and it's so glossy and super pigmented. I really like this, and if you guys have not tried it out, you should definitely, because it gives you that glossy finish as well as that, you know, balmy texture, but with a lot of pigment, and the color is perfect for everyday use. So guys, this was the video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you would like to see more such videos. I would definitely make them for you all. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.